We're live in vivo. Welcome to Stay Active with Coach Julio. Every Wednesday at 1 p.m. I bring you a 15-minute workout designed for anyone who's looking to break a fitness plateau, new to fitness. You're looking for something to complement your current home or gym routine. That's my script. All right, guys, so what's happening today? Today we will be using dumbbells to do an exclusive workout. It's a slow roast, so I'm going to be the cook today. And I'm going to do a focus on your shoulders, your arms, your glutes, your core, and your legs are also going to join the journey. It's going to be a combination of a dynamic exercise, meaning we're going to be pumping the weight, with an isometric exercises, meaning we're going to work other muscle groups, say these guys, the glutes. Some people call these love handles, whatever you want to call it. Those guys are also going to be worked. So we have 4 exercises, and the rep scheme is going to be 5 reps, 8 reps, or 10 reps, 3 rounds. And if you decide to go up to the next rep scheme, meaning like from 5 to 8, you must have included the 10 by 5 challenge at the end before you can graduate to the next level. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My legs is raised. I'm working this little happy guy. These muscles there, and obviously I'm rolling. Level 2 on this. Yes, you can go on your arm. Same position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The only thing I suggest, just go through this circuit once so you can understand that I'm going to work all those muscle groups. I don't want you to get taxed before the second round. You're going to see what I mean. So I'm on my left side. My left knee is bent. My left arm is holding the weight. My right leg is out to the side. I'm going to push off my elbow, half get up, go onto my hand, and here's my bridge up. So I do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I reverse the movement. Keep the arm up, actually. It's better that way. On the elbow, and I'm down. I want to take this opportunity too. If you're enjoying my workouts, don't forget to hit that subscribe and enable the notification button. That's one way you can support me, and I can continue to do these live streams. Inviting your friends and family, spreading the love is much appreciated. Front, I'm going to stay low. It's a kneeling to squat, right? And then I go back down. Now I have to swing my other leg, and I call that 1. So I'm going to do 5. I'll show you sideways. Notice how I'm positioned with the weights. Up, up, I'm staying low, like interest rates, rock bottom, APR. That's a little business update. My number's terrible. That's 2. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Regression, you just have 1 weight. So you don't have to have 2, right? So I hold like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Progression, this back knee, this is ugly. My knee never touches the floor. So it's 1, 2, my voice changes, 3, 4. Then I start over. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, stay low. 5, 4, 3, 2, round 3. Exercise, workout should be progressive. If you can't do 5 rounds, you will. Give it time. Safety is number 1. Got 3 more. 2, and believe it or not, your body will adapt. 10 seconds.